disclaimer. Do not make this trade. Seriously, don't. This video is for educational purposes only and placed by a professional trader from Maverick Trading. Maverick Trading is sponsoring this trading experiment with a $100,000 trading account. To trade for Maverick Trading, you can submit an application for stock, option trader, or currency trader from the link in the video description below.
Happy Friday, everybody. This is Rob Reinhold. We are on to trade number 34. Now, if this is your first time here, I doubt it is, but if it is, what are we doing here? We are saying the biggest conspiracy theory, like the flat earth, the biggest conspiracy theory in trading is that all of the emphasis is put on the entry and very little of it is put on the exit. Our belief is that the exit is way more important. And to prove this, we're going to make random trades, random methods, just do everything at random, but see if we can make money just off of position management. Now, it is Friday, November 10th. Tomorrow is Veterans Day. So I would like to do a special one for veterans. I did not serve in the military, but I've always really looked up to people who have. So thank you very much, veterans. So today we're going to be doing defense contractors. Now, before we jump into this, I want to just disclose this is take number 2 of this video. I already did take number 1, and I already actually placed the trade, did everything before I realized that the recording stopped about 9 seconds into the video. So everything has been done. And since the trade has been made in the account and I want all the statements to match up perfectly, there's no way for me to recreate this. So I'm going to walk through the process I did, and we're going to go into the account and see where the trade was made. But bear with me here. This is not going to be done live this time because, like I said, I want everything to match up perfectly. The trade's already in the books. It's already in the account. I just want to walk you through the process. So the first thing I did, I said, hey, we need to go into the defense contractors industry group. Now, if you don't know where they are, you can click on like groups and you can go on and take a look at, okay, where is it? Again, they are in the industrials. You'll have to know that. And then you could go and see, okay, here's aerospace and defense. And you could just click there and here are all of the aerospace and defense. If you just know of one company, so let's say you know of Raytheon, RTX Corp. You could just type it in and then you can come here below its name, aerospace and defense, and you're basically going to get that same list. What I did is I said, hey, we only want stocks over 1 million shares and we only want stocks over $10. So that just took out all of the stocks that were under 1 million average daily volume and under $10. And it left us with 10. And I said, okay, well, 10 is a good number. It's a good round number, and we've been spinning the wheel a lot lately, and I said, let's put the wheel to rest. Let's go in and do some D&D dice. So I put D&D 10-sided dice. Actually, I just put in 10-sided dice. And this is what we came up with. I came up with this right here. I hit the roll button, and it rolled number 6. It rolled number 6. So we went to this list and we counted down to number 6 and we ended up with Lockheed Martin. So that was the trade we ended up with. So we came here, looked at Lockheed Martin. This is Lockheed Martin over the past couple months. Big run higher, having a pullback. And when we look at the slope of the moving average, this is sloping lower. So we determined this was going to be a short, and at the time we said the stock was at $443.56. If we take a look at ATR was $7.01. $7.01 for ATR. So those were the numbers on the first go around, and I'm just going to walk you through everything so you can see the progress of the trade. Here's our ticket sheet. We are going to be short Lockheed Martin. It is November 10th. Entry price of $443.56. We're going to have our initial stop 2x ATR above the price. So 2x ATR of $7.01 is $14.02. That gives us our first stop at $457.58. We then went into our account And if you take a look, you can see that the trade is already there, Lockheed Martin, but let's go through the whole process. So I went up to account, grabbed our account value, and at the time the account was at $98,322. So let's go to a position sizing calculator. So put in 98,322, 1%. Entry price was $443.56. And stop price was $457.58. Hit compute. And we come up with 70 shares short. So that is the trade, 70 shares short. So we went in, we built in a trade for 70 shares, and you can see here, we were filled at $443.90. And we've got our trailing stop at $14.02. So let's wrap this trade up. So the final trade entry short 443.90, and you guys know the rules. If we do get to that first target, we are going to move to 1.5x ATR. If we get to the second target, we're going to move to 1 ATR, and we're just going to sit there and watch it. We're spectators at this point. Anything else you do is wrong because it's a mistake made by your emotions. That's it. Goodbye. Have a great weekend.